to fix TikTok family pairing settings not saving. Now if TikTok family pairing settings won't save, it is usually due to a desync between accounts, app cache issues, or device level restrictions. So to verify your account linking, first make sure that both accounts are still actively linked. So to check that, open your TikTok app, then tap on your profile at the bottom right. Now tap the menu at the top right, then go to settings and privacy. Now under your activity section, tap family pairing and verify the connection status. Now the next thing what you can do is clear the app cache. Just stay on the same page, scroll down to cellular section, tap free up space, then tap clear next to cache, and then confirm by tapping clear one more time. Now the next thing what you can do is update the app. Just make sure both devices are running the latest version of TikTok. Go to your Google Play Store, go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store of both device, then look for the update option available right here. If you see it, tap on it and update your TikTok to the latest version on both of your devices. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.